Hey guys, we're doing our first video, and we're doing, well, not our first video. We're doing a video, and we're playing frisbee golf. And there is the ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream.
I can't say. Oh shit! He said.
Guys, it's an ice cream truck.
Bro, he's coming down here.
Oh.
Let's ask him if he wants to come be in the video.
No. Guys,
Bro,
we have to run! The ice cream truck is chasing us! Okay, I'm making it in that thing over there.
What are you doing?
From here. Ready? Go!
Oh my god!
Almost. I almost did it. But sadly, it didn't happen. Our life has failed. We suck at trick shots. And Zach, you suck too.
Wait.
Yeah, what the? What the?
Bad still.
Well, it landed right here. Mine landed right here. Guys, I will make this if my friend moves. So I thought, ready? Or not.
I need to tell you in the camera.
I'm stealing
No!
my friend's frisbee.
I need to tell you in the camera. Marshall is so stupid. He was over there. He said he threw it somewhere around here, yet he's looking all the way over there. Retard.
Don't swear. There is my friend in the distance. He's looking for his frisbee that is literally right over here. He's an idiot. He is a real idiot. Yeah.
You guys see a frisbee anywhere? Marshall, it's probably in the freaking water.
Yeah. This kid is probably the worst thrower here. He probably threw it in the water.
Who, me?
Over here.
Oh crap, who the hell is that? Hold on, watch out.
What? Okay, my friend has seen someone under the bridge. Is he stupid? No, he's not. He sees people. Guys, I'm not going to be weird and show you them. Yeah.
That's it.
This kid is Chewbacca. There goes the kid who lost his frisbee. Life is weird. Very weird.